Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 29, 2023. Diagonal Sudoku or X Sudoku. First grade. In the column F, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Fifth grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth row and first grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Third row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 5th grade. Then column I, third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column H also we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column E, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th grade and second row, third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. In this diagonal and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H and 4th row, and in this diagonal we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row and third grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 6th row, column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 1. Column G, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. In column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will give me one of the 2 cells. I will confirm later. 10th row, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then the 5 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then the 5 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then in column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd grade and 5th grade, we have 2. Then column B also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. In this diagonal, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. In this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 3rd grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column J, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.